Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan saya Habib Auri Hakim NIM 22521005.
Dan saya Muhammad Rifan Arsa Rasman, NIM 22521029.
Kami di sini akan mengerjakan tugas dari Miss PJ mengenai classroom activity nomor 3 yang mengenai video yang telah dilayangkan di YouTube. Now the model predicted that this would take 75 minutes at the large scale ride. What makes soap? Soap it takes a huge amount of people to launch a product and get that on the shelf. I realized that being a chemical engineering, it did just mean chemistry. You did just mean math click man creating things and on so many different level and for so many different kinds of product.
Chemical engineering, like Anita, combined the principle of chemistry and engineering to sell up the products of material and consumer product. They work in them with other engineering, the singing and adapting product methods from the small cell in the lab to the large cell that the manufacture plant. Everything
It touches your life. A chemical engineering had to be there to make it happen. And just knowing that I could be a part of that.
chemical engineering work in a variety of fields, energy, uh, par, par, pharmaceutics, the environment, environment, biotechnology, consumer product, and a lot more.
It's taking a product and making it for everyone.
Anita is a chemical engineering with Procter and Gamble.
I work in fabric hard engineering on the liquid making side. I work on design and putting in new equipment in the plant or maybe modifying some old equipment to make new product. Somebody in the product research side or somebody that talk to consumer will come up with an idea.
So what they love is for the products in the bottle to small green. They all also talk it about how when they go into their laundry room, they love the smell of that fresh skin and blowing it out of their dry, dryers and being bad to small it.
That we're going and posting in the project, we want the to make sure that whatever we do is what the consumer wants.
Chemical engineering are instrumental are laid on in the process, especially during the research and the development fast.
You have made it in a beaker, and that's really cool. But we know we need to make it into many bottles. You know, thousands of bottles that we can get to the consumer every day. So how do we scale that too?
With our computer modeling tools, what we we've we've done is we're simulating the injection of this material into our product.
So we are showing that it's really well makes right now, and I think that going to be really important for us making our design requirement that we know we can get this.
Now we can see the ro- rotational moment of the agitator drilling the fluid down just like the model predicts.
Yeah, I can see it going around getting mics.
Right, and we can see that the struts are breaking up and being drawn down into the full. And after a few minutes, we shall see the material dissolve it.
When Anista not meeting with her R&D colleagues in Cincinnati, she's usually working at one of Procter & Gamble manufacturing sites. Anita is brainstorming with Lauren, another chemical engineer, planning the scale up of a new product.
This this thing right here is probably have to do some change inside and what kits of material property property system.
So our things is going to be a kind of thick material we are going to planning to inject it back into our formulas and want to make sure it rejoins.
Okay, so we're looking at an agitator, maybe a top mounted or side mounted.
So it look like the top mounted where we are going to want it. So probably that how we're avoiding phase separation right now.
I I picked chemical engineering has some list for first like I can work in and product supply can work and frame environment. I can work in the energy sector. I can work in chemical production. I have so many options. You work all day products. This this takes, but then you go to the store and see it on the shelf, and you are like, how well he my dad and like my mom will call me up and say be like, did you make this new think it's awesome, and I am like, yeah, I did.
During that day, I am a chemical engineering, but once I go home, I like to I like to do a lot of other things too. I have learned how to cook, and I like trying different recipes out and sharing them with my friend. I like to do different types of art. I paint and I do draw. I think one of the most exciting things about my work is it's not just one project, so they might be in different spaces.
So after several months of obtained analysis, we have gotten a alignment from our GM on a best plan for this project.
Chemical engineering, chemical engineers design their project, they take into account consumer preferences, implementation, cost, and especially plant safety.
We're working on an oyster the we measured what the sun was actually because using the state's official the decibel meter because we did not went to get that record.
We had a custom mode for soundproofing. We need noise cancel. It was researched there.
Chemical engineers all all make sure there's the zincs are in more momentally stable.
We are thinking that the batch cycle time is going to take about 65 minutes after unload.
Okay, so we would 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 not try to get the redux as much as possible as they can.
Everything in life is about chemistry, and we need to understand how to control it and make it work in a clean, green, and efficient way. Right, sustainability is a hook ding no.
Chemical engineers typical have a bachelor's degree in chemical engineering and so go on to revise review a master's degree in chemical engineering.
But being an engineer, it's not just about math and skills. You know, you do want to have a good basis and other things like history and English and being able to communicate. Well, I would think you have to think of it outside of the box. I think the most rewarding thing about being a chemical engineer that you can see what you make. Being creative is being an engineer you. Mungkin itu saja tugas classroom activity nomor 3 mengenai chemical engineering. Terima kasih. Billahi taufik walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.